Gerald Ford was the 38th President of the United States. Ford faced many challenges, including reviving a depressed economy, solving chronic energy shortages, and trying to ensure world peace. Ford was successful with all of those issues, ensuring a better life for Americans. He was more than just our president, he was also our shipmate. Gerald Ford was commissioned as an ensign on April 13, 1942. His first assignment was as an instructor at the V-5 Aviation School, where he taught elementary seamanship, ordnance, gunnery, and first aid. Ford was sent to the pre-commissioning unit USS Monterey in May 1943 and served aboard the ship until she was severely damaged by a typhoon. He attained the rank of lieutenant commander during World War II and continued his naval career until 1963.
Captain America's gone today. Captain America, what did you say? Oh, open the book now and turn the page. Must be an error, still reads the same. Oh, I hear your people, they all call your name. It's just our own fault. Will you come back home? Captain America, is that your name?
The fleur-de-lis pointing true north symbolizes the Boy Scouts of America. The moral compass represents President Ford's legacy built upon integrity and honesty. The map of the world represents Gerald R. Ford's global presence and ties to the Chief of Naval Operations guiding principle of operating forward. The 38 stars surrounding the emblem represent Ford as the 38th President of the United States. 26 of the 38 stars are colored in, representing his ship during World War II, the USS Monterey. The color scheme is blue and yellow, representing Ford's undergraduate university, University of Michigan. The crest also contains Yale blue and white to represent his graduate school. Integrity at the helm is the Ford Foundation motto, which ties the ship to the Ford Foundation while highlighting the Navy core values.